Okay guys, today you're going to need some safety pins, scissors, a ruler, a marker pen, and a hoodie. So to get started, sorry by the way about the fuzziness fluff on this hoodie. I think it's because I was sewing a top beforehand, and so all the fluff from the top that I was sewing earlier got onto it. But anyway, moving on. As you can see, I'm using the top of the hoodie pocket as a marker to draw the line across. I've just used a gel pen, but actually chalk works best for this. Then get the scissors and cut across that line, and it doesn't matter if it's a little bit messy because it's meant to be that raw edge, grungy kind of look. Now you have your cropped hoodie. Once again, sorry about the fluff, it's just from a top that I sewed earlier. It's really annoying, but actually that is removable. So now start by cutting along the lines of the cuff of your hoodie on the sleeve. And then do the other side. Now roll up each sleeve. It has to be an equal sized cuff, but it doesn't have to be 100% perfect because once again it's that kind of grungy handmade vibe, and it will look really cool even if it's not even. Now get your safety pins out, and we're going to start pinning this hoodie. So when I start pinning this, I'm actually going to make like the head top bit hanging downwards. If you kind of get what I mean, you can see from the video here. I would say start by spreading out your safety pins evenly, just so that you can have the whole edge done. And then once it's done, you can see how many safety pins you have left, you can see how it looks, and you can start filling in the gaps. Because this hoodie isn't branded, I have decided to make my own little logo. I have crossed over 2 safety pins to make it like a little cute cross logo. Now I'm adding the sleeve pins, and you can really just have fun with this and kind of do what you want. I'm going to cross over these safety pins on this sleeve, and then on the other sleeve I'm going to do a bit of a different design. Now I'm just adding safety pins to random parts of the hoodie, so on the sleeve, and then I'm going to actually add a safety pin to the hood